Hi, friends. For our writing center today, you're going to need your President's Day story starter. Now, I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. Okay, now I want you to think about, we've been learning a lot about two presidents this week. We've talked about George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. So I'm going to have you write George Washington first. George, so I'm going to put capital George, and then I'm going to put a finger space and write Washington. George Washington. Now, I capitalized my G and my W because it's his first and last name. George Washington. Okay, then I want you to think in your brain about some of the facts that we learned about George Washington. So you're going to write George Washington and then write to tell me something about him. Okay, when you finish, on the next line down here, we're going to write Abraham Lincoln. So capital A, B, R, A, H, A, M. And I'm going to put a finger space and write his last name, Lincoln, capital L, I, N, C, O, L, N. And then the same thing, friends, you're going to write to tell us one fact about Abraham Lincoln. Okay, so again, first, you're going to write George Washington, and then one cool fact we learned about George Washington. Then you're going to write Abraham Lincoln and write one cool fact that you learned about Abraham Lincoln. All right, my friends, Mrs. Newlands, I will see you back here soon for writing.